Okay, here's Vegas Pro version 15, and let's see how to stabilize only a portion of a clip, so that is one single video file on the timeline. And by default, if you stabilize it, it will stabilize it from the beginning till the end. Even if you, let's say, cut it down and use only this portion, Vegas will still stabilize the entire video, and of course you have to wait more. Okay, so let's undo it. To stabilize only a portion, let's say from here to there, we have to cut it. So split, press S on the keyboard, select the next location and S again. Okay, and to stabilize only this portion, first right click on it and create subclip. Create subclip is mentioned here also, subclip. The rest don't have that. Okay, and now right click on it and go to Media FX. Okay, and from here Vegas stabilize and close it with OK. Okay, make your selection, let's say only 0.1, and click apply. Wait until that small portion is stabilized, not the entire clip. Close it, and now this one is stabilized, and you can check it. If you go to Media FX, stabilize is here. Okay, and this one and the first one is not stabilized. So if I go to Media FX, nothing is there, and it's asking us to give an option here. Okay, so that's how to stabilize only a portion in Vegas Pro.